Hi, folks, and welcome to another segment of Island Girl Foods TV. Today, my pal Andrew and I are in Jamaica for delicious Jamaican stewed peas. Now, the first time I've tried this dish in the Gurl, Jamaica, it was at a little spot called the Sweet Spot, and when I took my first bite, it was a remarkable explosion of flavors. So today, I'll be sharing my aunt's famous stewed peas recipe with you. So if you're ready, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell as I will be uploading videos every week and it will alert you. So if you're going, let's go. So to prepare the meats, I have 3 pounds of salted beef along with 3 pounds of pork tails cut up. I've placed them in a pot with water to cover and pre-boiled them with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar for 15 minutes, drain and set aside. I've also soaked my red kidney beans, about 3 cups, overnight. Prepare 1 tablespoon of cracked allspice, 6 cloves of garlic sliced, a half of onion sliced. I have 3 bay leaves, about 4 to 6 sprigs of thyme leaf, fresh, and 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper, a 1/4 piece of ginger, thinly sliced, and Raquel's seasoned salt to taste, and we have 1 can of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of browning, and 4 green onions smashed and thinly sliced. Place a pot over medium heat with 4 liters of water and add your beans. We'll add our allspice to it, add our garlic, bring up to a boil and let cook for 15 minutes. Now we'll add in our meats, stir, add our onions, ginger, bay leaf, stir, cover with your lid slightly ajar and let cook for 15 minutes. And now it's time to season to taste with Raquel's seasoning salt. For the finale, we're going to add our coconut milk, red wine vinegar, and browning. Go in with our thyme, our whole Scotch bonnet pepper, cover again, let cook for 10 minutes. Remove thyme sprig, pepper, bay leaves. Then add your spinners 1 by 1. You can find the recipe on the link for these delicious handmade dumplings. Let cook for 15 minutes. Remove lid. Add your green onions. And cook for an additional 5 minutes. Now the sensational soup is ready to serve. So here you have it, folks. Another remarkable, delicious Jamaican dish, Jamaican stewed peas. Look at these amazing little dumplings that we call spinners, along with delicious red kidney beans, that delicious coconutty flavor in there in this wonderful stew, paired with pork and salted beef. Yummy. If you don't eat pork, you could omit the pork, but guys, trust me when I say that you've got to try this. What's that, Andrew? Andrew wants to know when I'll be making peppered shrimp. Well, that recipe is coming soon, so stay tuned every week so you don't miss out. Until next time, this is your island girl saying that when it comes to Caribbean cuisine, nobody does it better. See you, everyone.